Hi everyone, this is Deb at Dahlia Designs Jewelry and More. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I am here to reveal the Potomac Beads treasure box kit for March. Now, I received this, I think, on February 25th, Saturday. But you will not see this till the 10th of March, after which I should have at least one tutorial up. I'm still playing with the February kit. I'm a little bit behind, so I hope to have a video up before the 10th of some other projects made with that. I did have one up from the Joy of Blue collab on the 12th using the Potomac Beads kit, so go check that out if you haven't seen it. All right, to the box. I did open this, just so y'all know, full disclosure. I opened it the day I got it, and today is like a week later, but a week before the 10th, and I honestly don't remember what's in it. I remember the box is different. See? We now have a Best Bead Box binder. Collect additional helpful inserts and grow your collection of printed resources. Hint, hint, more resources to come. Cool. Use the space below to start designing your next piece. I'm not that kind of person. My way of creating is to just pull everything out and start playing. I forgot about them too. Start playing with the beads and see what speaks to me. And then I take pictures afterwards, and I also write down everything I used in a design. So I do have documentation, but it's more just a different way of creating. I'm not a good drawer, so yeah, it would look hideous. So anyway, that's how I create. Maybe it's backwards, but I'm a little backwards, so yeah. I'll put the box aside for now. So let's see what this says. Dark night. Yeah, I do see some dark things in here. Inspired by the calm night sky with deep blues and hints of light. Ooh, deep blues. This month's treasure box will inspire you to create. Use any combination of these beads to design your next go-to piece of jewelry. Alrighty, so let's see what we get. Potomac Pearls is the first thing on the list. I'm going to try and find them. Okay, we got some 4mm. This color is called Moonstone. So in January we got Comet, and in February we got something that I forget what color it was. But we did get, I think, amethyst, like purple. But I'm not positive about that. I don't have it right here in front of me. Anyway, you get a 10-inch strand. These are super pretty. Super pretty. There we go. So those are the pearls. I'm going to bend it in half just because I don't have that much room. And okay, so that's the pearls. And then check glass Buddha beads. To be honest with you, I'm not into them. I like the color of these though. I'm not into Buddha. Sorry. It's just how I am. But you know, I may still use them because somebody will be. These are coming across like almost like a turquoise color, but they are definitely like a violet purple, a blue purple, a purple blue. They're coming across really just blue there, and they're not. Maybe down here it'll show. Nope, they're still showing a brighter blue than they should. My Yuki seed beads in 80, and those are in black. I like that. I definitely want to try and do some bead weaving. My Yuki seed beads in 11. Where are you? Oh, here, right in front of my nose. And they are in a pale, semi-frosted pale blue. Those are pretty. You see, I'm not going to open them. I'll have them all over the place. Now, those are coming across about the right color, and they're a little bit more blue than the Buddha. Side by side, they look about right, but these are still coming across more blue than they are to my eye. I'll set them over there. Okay, plated micro-faceted seamless mirror rounds. Ooh, I think that's these, yes. And they are 8mm Premium 99.9% pure silver plating, 8mm pack of 10. There, I'm not going to take them out either because they will blind us. They're cool, like disco balls, mirror rounds. There's the number if you want to look for them on their website. And then check glass matte rounds. Nope. Check glass matte rounds. Is that them? No. Here they are. Okay, in Montana, it doesn't tell us the color on the page, but these are 5mm. They're in that dark Montana blue. I'll take some of these out. I like Montana blue. It's a pretty color. Oop, that one's, they snuck in a shiny something. Almost like a hematite bead. See? Those are pretty. Love that color. It's like a deep ocean almost, right? In the matte. They're pretty. And side extra, I got a little like a hematite bead. Okay, next up, Druzy Agate. That was the other ones I had in my hand. These are Druzy Agate Blue Iris round beads, 6mm. These are gorgeous. There we go. They're so pretty, and they'll go really good with these pearls. Either of these two will, actually. Gorgeous. All right, they're agate. And then gemstone chips. Ooh. Lapis Lazuli. They're 5 to 8mm chips. I am a lapis girl. Yes, I am. I'm a blue gemstone girl. Yeah, love those. Plated twisted barrel screw clasps. Okay. That's these. Let's open these. There's a pack of 5. They're 10 by 3.6mm. I don't think that I have used these before. Let me put them down and just get one. Let's see how I can do it. I don't know if I can get my hands. Okay, there we go. Yes, I can. I think. Well, I'm not sure. No, that's just the... They're plated, twisted barrel screw clasps. Okay. You know, I probably will use these as a decorative piece in like a necklace or a bracelet. Because I think, for me, wearing these will be difficult to undo them. Especially on a bracelet. Maybe a necklace if I turn it around to the front or something. Yeah, they're a little small for my fingers that have a little bit of arthritis in them. Anyway, they're pretty though. I like them as a decorative element. Check glass large ovals. That has to be these. And they are black. And they're like a double... I don't know if I call them an oval. But they have... Oh, wait. Nope. These are the large ovals. Oops. And they're black also. It just says large black oval, and it says treasure box, but it didn't say check glass on here, but it has to be. So those are nice for pendants. They have this one. They have a little texture to them, or a finish on them, or something. I can feel it. It has sort of like gold speckles in it. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that. Maybe there. So you can see the specs. It's almost like goldstone, but it's black. They're different. They're different. I thought they were just plain black, but they have like texture on one side with the speckles. They have a definite finish on them. Yeah, cool. And then these are next. Check glass long bicone beads, and they're also in black. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I got 11. One of them is a little off, I think. This one is a little shorter. They put them too close together on the strand when they did them, but that's okay. They're pretty too. And there we have, so we have a black theme, black and blue. Okay, next up, Check glass star beads. These are cool, and these are called Matte Jet AB, which gives them like an iris finish to them. Those are cool. Stars. They're black, but they have, you see, they have some blue and some little bit of goldish color to them, and gray. So you almost could say they're like in green. They're almost like mixed metals with the finish that they have on them. They're really cool. I like them. I like stuff like that. Anyway. Okay, and wow, we got a lot in this. Pie Duo beads. I don't know if I've ever used these. I'm not gonna take them out. They are 6 by 8 millimeter. Oh, yes, I will, because I want to check the holes. I think these are them. Pie Duo beads. Metallic Sea Blue. Pretty color. Okay, the holes go through the slice of pie. Oops, let me put these down. Through the slice of pie here, and come out the bottom of the crust side of the pie. So I guess you can put them together like a pie, like that, weaving them. It makes sense to me. Yeah, so you can make little circles or whatever you want with them. Half circles. Moons, a moon and a star. Don't steal my idea. Check glass flat sliced nugget beads. Okay, these are in a pale blue. These would go pretty with those hearts from last month, February's kit, 15 millimeter. And they're called nuggets because they're kind of irregular in their shape. They're not round. They only have a hole going through one side, so single hole. And there's 5 of them. They're pretty. I could see one as a focal point in a bracelet, and the other 4 either in necklace, or 2 in a necklace and 1 in earring, or 2 in earrings. I don't know, but they're pretty. They're pretty with the lapis even. It's all pretty. This is a blue kit. I love it. Okay, next up is stainless steel tweezers. I could use these. These have a nice fine point. They have a and they have a protective thing. Oh yeah, those are really fine point. None of mine are that fine tipped. Can you see? I'm sure they are perfect for like pearl knotting or whatever. Yeah, I like them. I don't have any like that. I have lots of tweezers, but none are that fine. Require precision and accuracy. Picking up small components such as crystals and bales. I think they're probably better for doing knot tying, which I haven't done in a while, so maybe I'll do that soon. Okay, next up is plated, seamless, smooth, round beads, and I think I missed something. And these are 4 millimeter. They're nice round beads. You get 100 of them. I always can use those. I love using round beads, and especially in silver. Yeah. And then I have crystal round beads, metallic iris, blue iris, 2 millimeter seed bead. It has SB after it. And they are gorgeous. They're a dark blue with purple in them. I'm trying to see. Oh yeah, they are on here. Crystal round beads, 2 millimeter. I missed them. They were right after Druzy Agate, these. But those go perfect with the lapis and the black and everything, really. Cool. Cool. So that is the kit. Quite a lot in it this month again. And lots of things to play with. And like I said, honestly, the only thing I'm just not a fan of is the Buddha beads, because that's not my thing. But everything else I absolutely love. These will be a little challenging for me, but I may try something with them. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed and come back again soon. I'll have the @ Potomac Beads Co. in the heading of the title for when I do the first video tutorial with whatever I decide. And then after that, I might just do project shares for the rest, but at least one tutorial will be out in the month of March. And March is a longer month, so we have a little bit more time. I hope you enjoyed it. Come back again soon. I also have collabs coming up on the 12th, 13th, 15th, and 18th. And maybe another one I might be doing later in the month, but I don't know. I might reserve the later in the month for getting my kits used up. So interesting box. The jury's still out on whether I like the binder box. I kind of liked the way the other one closed because I don't have, well, I do have patterns, but they're in my old Best Bead box that before they changed them. This is the Treasure subscription box, and there will be information down below on how you can subscribe either to this one or their kit subscription, which is patterns and mostly bead weaving. I think all bead weaving as far as I've seen so far in their kit subscription. So there's two different subscriptions. This is the Treasure subscription box. It replaced their what they called their Best Bead box, and the kit one replaced what they called their Best Bead box XL, I think, something like that. Sorry if I don't remember. And I'll also link what the prices were when they invited me to this program. But check the website to make sure there's no changes and such, and information on when they ship and so forth. And please use my link, and that way they know you came from my channel, and it'll all be down below. Thanks again for watching. Hugs, love, and peace. And until the next time, take care. Happy March.